When Cyrus and Brenda come back home, they are a bit worried and are thinking about Darius' strange acting, and Cyrus feels that Darius is trying to make a mess by making himself the evil twin. But Brenda remembers that when Cyrus and Brenda were at the resort, there was someone like Darius who looked exactly like Darius, and that person like Darius also tried to enter Cyrus and Brenda's house. And Brenda also looks a little scared. Then it is seen that Darius goes from one room to another, and Cyrus and Brenda also try to follow Darius. And Cyrus is making fun of Darius' actions. Then Cyrus and Brenda also come into the room to talk to Darius, and Cyrus is looking for Darius in the room, but they do not see Darius in the room, and Cyrus and Brenda get worried that Darius can go to where in the room, but Cyrus and Brenda continue to look for Darius. And Cyrus suspects that Darius is trying to hide in some room, and then suddenly the doors of both the rooms close together. And seeing this sight, Cyrus and Brenda are shocked at how both the doors can close together. Then when Cyrus opens the door of the room, then Darius is inside the room, and Cyrus starts to get scared of Darius, and then Brenda wants to talk to Darius. And Cyrus and Brenda hear Darius crying from the room, and Brenda goes into the room to talk to Darius, and Darius is crying, and Darius acting is very strange, and Darius seems a bit disturbed, and Cyrus and Brenda get worried seeing Darius, and Brenda tries to comfort Darius, and Darius hugs Brenda and cries, but Cyrus does not feel right, and Brenda tries to explain Darius, but then it is seen that Darius tries to kiss Brenda, so Brenda slaps Darius, and Cyrus and Brenda rush out of the room, and Darius is locked in the room, and Cyrus and Brenda are shocked and worried seeing this stupid move of Darius, and the sounds of Darius screaming and crying can be heard from the room. And Cyrus has locked Darius in the room while Darius is saying sorry from inside the room, but Cyrus does not open the door for Darius, and Cyrus and Brenda are about to lock Darius and go back. And Cyrus feels that Darius should be locked in the room, and Brenda is also very scared of Darius' actions, and Brenda never thought that Darius could do something stupid.